If you ever been laid off or lost your 9 to 5 or even felt like your career just came to a dead end, I know exactly how you feel. Unemployed, uncertain, and wondering what's next. But let me tell you, being unemployed, it didn't break me. Instead, it led me into something even greater. And I'll be sharing how I'm reinventing myself in this digital space and how you can too. Hi, I'm Arnice, and I'm here to help midlifers over 40 and 50 to embrace in the opportunity in this digital space so that they can take control of their futures from experiencing after such life-changing events and setbacks. I'll be sharing some tips and I'll be sharing some steps that's going to help you in wanting to re-event after such life-changing events. Let's go. Number 1, you're going to acknowledge the struggle. You're going to acknowledge the struggle of being laid off, let go. You didn't get the promotion. You didn't get the transfer from one department to the next. Or a job change all the way around in a whole nother different state. Whatever type of experience that you done experience, setback that you done experience with these 9 to 5s. Don't let it do you. So acknowledge it. You're going to acknowledge it, accept what done happened, and you're going to push yourself on forward. You got to change your mindset. You got to change your mindset. That's only how anything is going to come together for you. So it starts with changing that thought process. When you change your whole thought process, your whole world gonna change. And then comes the self-care. Because for me, these are the steps that I took for myself. Even moving on forward, pushing myself on forward to start getting up and going in my business. I had to get me first. So the steps that I took was I reflected, processed it, and I took that time out for myself. I didn't take too much time because them bills still got to get paid. So you can't allow yourself to stay stuck. Not for too long. But you do got to take care of yourself and let yourself feel what you've done experienced. That's the first thing of it all. And changing that mindset and how you think and gonna operate on your next move that you gonna make. Yes. So you're gonna acknowledge the struggle and the struggles that come with just being laid off and experience some type of life-changing event. Like me, I'm acknowledging every struggle that comes my way. And it's something when I say it's been something every single day, that devil been coming at me full force. Ever since I got laid off and lost my 9 to 5. But I'm still standing firm. I'm still standing firm and pushing through. Because I got to take care of my mental and my physical in order for me to be able to do anything. That's with all of us. We got to take care of ourselves. So self-care is most definitely important. So you're going to change your mindset. You're going to start working on your mindset. And meaning process that setback. And then you're going to start doing you. Start setting up some small goals, small obtainable goals that you can reach. Don't make no big old list of goals and then disappoint yourself. No, take small steps, small actionable steps that's going to help you. That's going to help you with that bounce back. Each day, do something small each day. It ain't got to be nothing major. These are the steps that I am coming to y'all with of reinventing in yourself. And it starts with that mindset for you to even want to bounce back, to even want to try, to think about trying something new, venturing off into something new, allowing yourself to even want to do something new. Because it happens. It happens. There's so much going on, and there's so many people being laid off and losing their 9 to 5s. Oh my God, every day. And that's why I'm here, because please protect yourselves to where we feel like I thought I felt comfortable. I was comfortable in my position. I didn't think my position was going nowhere. Sure didn't. Until they start bringing AI, artificial intelligence, up in there. And I knew the movement, because things started shifting and changing. Now, these are the experiences that I have experienced before being let go. I seen these signs and stuff. So I thought I was comfortable in my job too. So I'm just telling you, when you think you comfortable, those who had numerous years in thought they was comfortable, didn't know. So anything is possible, and it hurts. It hurts so bad. So these are the steps that's going to get you through, and even wanting to even bounce back into something new. These are the steps. You're going to change your mindset. You're going to restart. You're going to restart, reset, and refocus on self. You're going to take care of yourself. Do that self-care on yourself. Process it for a bit and get over and let it go. Let it go and move on forward. Push on forward. Acknowledge it. Acknowledge that struggle, that setback, that life-changing event, and keep it on forward. And keep it on forward. Set you up some small, obtainable goals that you know that you can reach, and it ain't gonna be such a major thing for you to be able to reach. Because them small, obtainable goals is gonna keep you in that determination mode as, yes, I can do this, I got this. Step 2. Like I was telling you, it's all about the mind, your mindset. Instead of just focusing on, okay, because this is what I do. And these are the examples that I'm using, because this is what helps me day to day in my business. This is what's helping me, keeping me grounded. How I used to go to work faithfully. I'm going to work faithfully for me. So everything that I did for that 9 to 5, I'm doing it for me now. Showing up and showing out for me and the people that I am on this platform to reach and to help, that's experiencing and going through this same thing, being laid off, let go from out of nowhere. Yes. So it starts with that mindset. Again, instead of thinking about, okay, we so programmed in that traditional thing, and that, okay, if we go to work and work this 9 to 5, we secured. That's not so. This is 2025. So I had to change my mindset into thinking, not shifting my mindset from being somebody's employee to becoming an entrepreneur for myself. Once I started thinking like that, everything started coming into play with me implementing these high income digital marketing skills along with my life skills and experiences that I'm bringing into this digital space to help me build and create the type of life that I want for myself from scratch. And I'm telling you, you can too. But you got to change that mindset. You got to change your mindset, and then everything else will fall into its place. And then don't let them distractions get to you. I'm telling you, distractions is something else. That's all I did. Do not let them distractions get to you. Because that ain't nothing but that devil. That ain't nothing but that devil trying to intervene in something what you trying to aim for yourself. You gotta show that devil, honey, you is a liar. You are a liar, and you will not win. You will not win this battle. This battle does not belong to you. It belongs to me. Believe that, with God leading and guiding and directing our pathways, getting us through these setbacks and these life-changing events that we going through. When I found this digital product last year, I was so excited to have something up under my belt that I know as a beginner how this product done helped so many others. And I want that life. We got to put in that work just like we put in that work for these jobs, these 9 to 5s. Put in that work for you. Put in that work for you. Try something new. In our age, I'm 52. I'm not going backwards. My first couple of weeks of being laid off, yes, I was broken. I knew what I had. I had my fallback, but I still was broken. I still had to get myself together. I still had to get my mental together in order to get things up and going from that setback. That was rough. So I know, I get it. I get it. And that's why I'm telling you, when you feel like you so secured and comfortable in that 9 to 5, and I'm not bashing it, God forbid, it's just that's what day and time we are living in. It's happening every day to a lot of us. A lot of us. So change your mindset. Don't let that keep you stuck. Get your mind right so you can venture off into something else and bounce back. Because it's real. It's real. And what really hits it? After that last check hit. After that last check hit. When you know this is it, and this is all, and you done had your eggs in just that one basket, for how many ever years you done been in any industry that you're working in, please protect yourselves. Please protect yourselves. You're going to refrain from that setback. You're going to refrain your mindset. Change that thought process. Turn that negative into a positive. Don't think about the what ifs or none of that. Think about what's next and what's to come and what I can make happen for myself. You're going to learn as you go. Ain't nothing wrong with learning new skills. Skills pays the bills. Skills pay the bills. And that's why I was like, my first couple of weeks of being laid off, like, well, who is going to hire me? I'm 52. Yeah. I mean, not saying that I couldn't get a job. God forbid. I can get a job. I got too many skills, you know? But yeah, a job that ain't going to make sense or add up just because I'm 52.